Oh, we're finally on the way to the dyno for the second car. It's MAK's S10, so we're gonna see what it can do and see if it'll stay together with that stock bottom end they got going on over there. Yep, some cars get done, some don't. Fire in the hole. Yeah, it is. Well, that's not what you want to see. They're not getting any boost. That's a major problem.
They're a long way from where they need to be at the moment. And they know it too, so.
No boost from the turbo. The truck's not going to work, like, at all.